Are you curious about cryptocurrency but don't have the time to track charts or master complicated trading strategies? Strovemont Trust provides a smart, hassle-free solution by fully automating your investment journey. With advanced technology at its core, all trades are carried out automatically, saving you time and effort every day. You can create your account in just a few minutes and begin right away. By signing up through the link in the description, you'll unlock full platform access along with an exclusive welcome bonus. Strovemont Trust goes beyond a typical trading tool. It's a reliable and efficient investment platform tailored for today's investors in Canada. Whether you're just starting out or looking to move away from manual trading, it delivers a seamless experience with an intuitive, easy-to-use interface. The platform's AI runs 24/7, monitoring the market, spotting opportunities, and adapting strategies in real time. Everything can be adjusted to match your personal goals and risk level, and no prior experience is needed. Once configured, the system takes over, managing and optimizing your portfolio automatically. When you register through the official link, your welcome bonus is activated immediately. A standout feature of Strovemont Trust is its adaptive, self-learning AI. Unlike traditional bots that follow fixed rules, this system continuously evolves with market conditions, improving its strategies over time. It relies on data-driven insights and removes emotional decision-making, acting like a dedicated financial advisor available around the clock. Security is a core focus of the platform. It follows KYC and AML regulations and uses advanced encryption to safeguard both your data and funds. All information is securely stored in the cloud. The sign-up process is quick, support is responsive, and the platform is designed to be beginner-friendly. Once your settings are in place, the AI manages everything automatically. The welcome bonus is available only via the official registration link. Strovemont Trust is designed with long-term growth in mind, not just quick profits. It supports diversification, passive income strategies, and sustainable financial development tailored to your objectives. Keep in mind that full access and exclusive bonuses are available only while the invitation link remains active. Through powerful algorithms, the platform processes vast amounts of market data in real time, combining historical insights with current trends to make precise decisions. This helps maintain stable and flexible performance, even in highly volatile market conditions. Investing in cryptocurrency doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let Strovemont Trust take care of the technical side while you stay focused on your goals and long-term financial freedom. Click the link in the description to get started and claim your welcome bonus today.